Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract pages from PDF in iLovePDF in 2026. Let's get started. Extracting pages allows you to save specific chapters, separate sections, share selected pages, or create smaller PDFs. So first you're gonna head to iLovePDF by searching for iLovePDF website. You're gonna click on it, and you're gonna be directed to the page, this website's homepage. From here, we're going to open the split PDF tool. As you can see, you're going to click on the organize PDF, and then you're going to find the second PDF tool. As you can see, the split PDF, you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to select the PDF tool. Either you can upload it from Google Drive, Dropbox, or you can select it from your computer. Then you're going to select the PDF file you want. After that, you're going to open the split PDF tool and upload your documents. Then you're going to select the pages you want to keep, review your selection, then continue. For this example, you can choose here from page 1 to 7, or you can even add range, like for example from page 2, from page 2 to page 4, and from page 6 to page 7. For example, as you can see, you can add all whole ranges if you want only few pages from every chapter. Then you're going to click on Split PDF. Now, many users extract pages from textbooks, contracts, manuals, and business reports. Another huge tip is checking page numbers carefully before extracting to avoid missing important documents. Now, once ready, you're going to click on the Split PDF, and you're going to process document. Then you're going to download extracted pages. And finally, extracting pages is one of the fastest ways to create smaller focused PDFs. Now, as you can see here, this is the PDF that's been downloaded. We're going to click on it, like this. Let's wait for it. Here, you're going to open the documents. Click on the download split PDF. Once the file has been downloaded, we're going to open it, and you're going to find it there. And that's it. Now you know how to extract pages from PDF in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.